Hey guys, in this episode we're going to be installing a brand new front drive shaft in this 2000 Jeep Wrangler. The issue we're trying to address today is when I go to take off from a stop sign, I notice like a slapping noise and feel when I go to take off. This is a stick shift, so maybe there's a difference there, but I know it's got almost 200,000 miles on it. I know the universal joints are worn, so we're going to install this new drive shaft assembly in it, see if that doesn't solve our issue. All my subscribers out there, I really appreciate you getting me where we're at. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down there. It would really help this channel out and continue more content like this. So let's get after it. So we're going to grab our universal creeper and a 15 millimeter. We're going to remove the 4 nuts that are on the underside of the skid plate that hold the transmission mount. We'll locate our 4 bolts and nuts. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get something to not only support this bracket or this skid plate, but we also need something that's going to support the transfer case and transmission when we take this down lower. So I'm going to put a jack underneath of the bell housing just to hold that engine and transmission up. As you're lifting up, what I'm looking for is for these studs that are sticking out to lift up off of the skid plate just enough. I know, okay, I can support the transmission and transfer case, and I can safely remove this skid plate to give myself enough access to the front drive shaft. Now we've got plenty of access to get to our rear bolts, and I think these are 8 millimeter. It's like 8 millimeter is good. Looks like these are on there pretty good. once you get to that point, you might need a little persuasion. Put your pry bar in here. So it's not lining up. So I need to go and put this into neutral. Doesn't look too bad. So now we got the front drive shaft put in. The only thing left to do is to go test drive this thing and see if it took care of that slapping deal that I was talking about earlier, when you go take off from the stop, it just kind of slap, 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 slap. So let's check it out. So I just got back from test driving it, and I got to tell you, took care of it. No more slapping when you take off. I almost got to tell you that it feels like it shifts smoother, if that makes any sense at all. It's just better all the way around. Before, I guess it was pretty wore out the way it was slapping before, but doesn't do it at all now. If anything, it almost wants to spin the tires. Not experienced that before. So if you wonder what's going to take care of the slapping noise in the front of your vehicle and poor performance because of it, put a new drive shaft in the front end of it. Thanks for watching.